people who are using AI, be it in academia, be it in industry, everyone is uniform. They're all trying out the same different things. I don't think that somebody is behind or somebody is ahead. Although I would always say this about Europe, they get to the application mode faster than United States, because sometimes a lot of legislation, a lot of controls doesn't help in adoption, whereas I see adoption being more in Europe. I think the big one these days is Agentic AI. So there's a lot of talk as well as a lot of success stories. One of the big ones, I recently was commenting on it, is how airlines like Lufthansa are using AI to take care of customers and a lot of repetitive things that agents can now take care, and that'll help them focus their workforce in other areas where there's human touch required more. But Agentic AI would be the big trend that'll last for a few more years now, because we are just scratching the surface of Agentic AI. It's time that AI went beyond just productivity gains, which are unquestionable. Even in productivity gains, it has to do, thanks to Agentic AI, it has to do more. But you can use AI to drive revenue. How? You can do a lot of hyper-personalization, which was not possible earlier. All the insights that you were deriving through human intelligence was not enough to, and you didn't have the scale. But now, thanks to AI, you can actually go very granular. For example, in a banking scenario, you can actually see how a particular individual means so much more to the bank, and hence the way they should approach them, the frequency with which they should approach them should be more. Their different offerings, which was not possible at all. It is humanly impossible with traditional systems. So that's how AI can be used to generate new revenue, because now you are more contextualized, more sensitive to a particular profile of a high net worth individual and what they mean to the bank, or you can take that example elsewhere. So there are a lot of things that you can now do with AI to drive new revenue, not just productivity gains. Data is the oxygen for AI. And if the data is not clean in terms of not only quality, but security. How secure is your data, especially when you're handling sensitive data of individuals and you're deriving patterns, whatever. So there are many techniques in terms of where you store them in data vault, and how you tokenize them, how you encrypt them. You need to follow all of that for your AI program to succeed. Otherwise, you are kind of rushing into some outcome-driven vested goals that will ultimately be caught later on downstream.